Beautiful day this morning. I am heading out to the farm to help Nathan haul some lime today. To haul some lime on our fields. Gonna be a busy day. All right, made it to the farm. Nathan has done the liberty of servicing this truck for me. He's an early riser. And so Nathan already went into ag service where we're getting the lime from. So I'm gonna follow him in there. He's getting loaded probably pretty soon here, and then I should get there by the time he is done being loaded. So it'll be my turn.
We are down here at Ag Service, which is our local fertilizer and chemical retailer, getting some lime to lime a field that has a pretty low pH. And so we've been wanting to lime it for a while, and the weather and being busy hasn't allowed us to, but now's a good time. So
I weighed in when I got here and got my empty weight, and then once he's done loading, I'll have my full weight, and that gives us the amount of lime that we're purchasing. I think we're going to do about 10 or 11 loads today, so we'll see how it goes. Weighed out on the scale, so I've got a full load, and I'll head out to the field from here. We are here at the field. There's the home farm over there. This is just across the road. So this whole soybean field is what we're gonna lime. So dumped our first load of lime. So Nathan, what is lime? Is it what you put in your water?
yes.
A lime slice?
No. The ground is a little too acidic as far as pH level, and lime helps raise the pH level to a more desirable level. I took agronomy and learned all the science behind it, but I don't think I could say it off the top of my head. So you're gonna have to go ask your local agronomist to get any more than that.
Well, that's okay. Sorry.
I could say this came from the city of Salina wastewater treatment facility. So as I understand it, they treat their wastewater and get this product as kind of a byproduct, I guess, and it's a good lime source.
We're gonna do the hauling, and then they're gonna spread this lime on our field here, and hopefully it'll grow better crops.
And this field is typically the upland fields tend to get more acidic or lower pH than like bottom ground fields. And then on top of that, this is where we water our lagoon.
We pump out our lagoon water.
Yeah, and we've spread manure here too, and all those things kind of contribute to lowering your pH lower and lower, and so we're gonna.
And so this will help raise it back up.
Some of these tires kind of took a beating during harvest, so we are putting on 2 new ones, 1, 2 on this back dual here. But the reason we're putting on 2 is to keep the tread levels the same, so that the tread kind of matches. I zipped all 6 of them off, but currently the tire is still being held on with dust because none of these are wiggling. All right, we're making progress. Got all 3 of these off, and now the tire will move. Got the first one off, got the new tire. And I got to set it up to where the stem is pointing out. Inside tire is back on. Come over here, grab the outside tire. Now this part is the same as putting back any tire, whether a car, pickup, or semi. Time to zip them on with this. Got the tire all put back in place. Time to show you guys one of the newest pieces of equipment we have on our farm in action. Yeah, that's right. It's a 20-ton jack. So, it's run by the air hose. But all I gotta do right now is let it down. Look at that. Flawless. Y'all were thinking, oh wow, he's gonna show us a new combine. He's gonna show us their newest piece of equipment. Well, jacks are sometimes just as exciting. When you're done with something in the shop though, you're not done until you put everything away. Because with 4 people working on this farm, items can get misplaced very easily. So I just got back to the field. Nathan and Greg have each hauled 2 dumps. So there's already 4 dumps here. I'm gonna untarp my truck, get ready to dump. So I'm most of the way up in the air. Put my end gate up in the back. Leave a big pile behind me. Kind of seems like I have to kind of shake it out a little bit. More so than silence, just kind of falls out the back. Here we are. Almost all the way dumped out.
All right, we've hauled about 8 loads. Got 3 more to go. Our Farming and I Grew It bumper sticker has seen better days. This is 8 years old. This has been on here literally since the year we made this video. Little piece of history. All right, we're done. We got all 11 loads dumped here, and they'll be ready to spread whenever Ag Service gets out here to spread it. I'm not sure if I'll get any footage of that or not, but I looked up some information for you guys so that I could explain a little bit of what lime is. Lime is soil conditioner made from crushed limestone. And once the lime dissolves on the soil, it releases a base that lowers the acidity of the soil. Farmers apply lime to increase yields because the better balanced your soil is and the more healthy your soil is, the better your yields, of course, depending on rainfall. So soils that are too acidic, those can stunt root growth and limit nutrient availability and reduce the effectiveness of fertilizer and herbicides. So most soils have a tendency to become more acidic over time for a lot of different reasons, stuff like erosion, leaching, decomposition of organic matter, fertilizer application, a whole bunch of different things. Lime is good for soils because it contains a high amount of calcium, which works to neutralize the soil's pH level. Soil pH indicates the acidity or alkalinity of the soil, and it's measured on a 14-point scale. So a pH of 7 would be neutral, 7 out of 14. If it's below 7, it's acidic, and if it's above 7, it's alkaline. So when on our farm, we do soil tests and we do grid sampling on our fields, and Farmer's Edge helps us with that. That's one of the services they provide. And so we had this field soil tested. It was determined to be too acidic, and so this lime should improve that, and we should see better yields, better plant health in the future. So that's kind of why we're doing what we're doing here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Hope it was educational for you guys. Before I let you go, I know that Christmas is approaching, and we do have quite a variety of things you can purchase from us as Christmas gifts or for yourself. We have Peterson Farm Bros beanies. We have Peterson Farm Bros hoodies, t-shirts. We have autographed posters that we autograph. You can buy all of our music videos on a USB drive that you can either make DVDs out of or put on whatever you want to use with those digitally. We have bumper stickers that you can put on the back of your car. You can actually come tour our farm here at Peterson Farm, and you can meet us. We offer a farm tour / meet and greet, and you can even book an overnight stay on our farm at my wife and I's house if you so choose to do that. So that's on our website as well. Oh, and the most recent thing we added to the website that's new this year is we're offering a FaceTime call If you want to buy someone a FaceTime call with us for Christmas, or if you'd like us to call you, we are selling those this year just because we don't have any speaking engagements or entertainment performances because of coronavirus. So we are stuck at home farming, and during the winter is kind of our time off. So we'd be happy to call you guys, wish you a Merry Christmas, or do it if you want to buy it to gift to a friend. We can do that as well. So we got quite a few things on our website, petersonfarmbrothers.com. Just click on shop to where you can purchase any of those things. Thank you guys for supporting us. Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.